Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Streptococcus. Group A beta streptococcus is important for pharyngitis, scarlet fever, and impetigo. The next is erysipelas and cellulitis. Erysipelas and cellulitis. What are these? Here, these erysipelas or cellulitis are the superficial infections of the skin. So both these are mainly caused by streptococcus. So these, because of this erysipelas and cellulitis, you will see bright red appearance of the skin is seen, and there is also involvement of lymphatics are seen. Whenever the superficial lymphatics are involved, it gives the appearance of powdery orange texture. Whereas do you see this powdery orange texture? This powdery orange texture is also seen in breast carcinoma. Even in breast carcinoma, you will see that here also, there, because of the involvement of dermal lymphatics of the breast with the tumor or cancer cells, carcinomatous cells or malignant cells, the breast carcinoma gives an appearance of powdery orange texture. So even in erysipelas and cellulitis, because of the involvement of superficial lymphatics, you will see appearance of powdery orange texture is seen. So, this cellulitis or erysipelas, especially the erysipelas, are seen more commonly on the malar aspect of face, whereas cellulitis are more commonly on the lower limbs followed by upper limbs. But erysipelas are seen on the malar aspect of the face. Erysipelas are also seen on the older people. Then Streptococcus is also responsible for necrotizing fasciitis or streptococcal hemolytic gangrene. See, this necrotizing fasciitis or streptococcal hemolytic gangrene. See, Streptococcus contains enzymes like DNase, it has streptokinase, it has hyaluronidase, and it also has phospholipases. So all these will cause breakdown of the extracellular matrix very easily. With the help of hyaluronidase, it can break down all the derivatives of hyaluronic acid along with the glycosaminoglycans. With DNase, it can degrade the DNA of the cells, and because it can degrade all these important parts of the extracellular matrix, so it can easily spread through the facial planes, resulting in necrotizing fasciitis or streptococcal hemolytic gangrene. It is caused 60% by group A streptococcus, and because this streptococcus, because of release of these enzymes, it digests all the materials of our tissues, so it is called as flesh eating bacteria.
thank you and thank you for watching.